are looking at how to create a simple business logo, and we are looking at the laundry business logo. So delete this. Yes. Now the next thing you just have to do is to create a shape. We are creating a circular shape like this. Now just expand it a little like this and close it up to something like this. You can see this. Okay, good. Now you have it. The next thing is just to select the color for this design, and in this case I'll be selecting gradient color. Gradient color will be very good. So let's come to gradient, and under gradient you can make it anything you like. It can be any color, but here I made use of blue color. I have blue color here, so I'll just make use of this blue color. But let me show us how you can easily get your blue color on your page. Just come here and click on any part of this blue part, then you can bring it down to get a specific blue color. Then you can make it deep a little like this. You can see how I got it. Now here is the number that I'm using, #0017B7. That's the color code to input. Okay, that now you have it. The next one, you just come here and click on this other side, and with this same color that we just click on this other side and click on this place. Now you have it. You can just click on this place and enter the color code that I just recited. I think that's 0017B7. Okay, that should give us the same color. Okay, so if you just okay that, you can see to bring out the color. Here is the color. Just okay that. There you have it. The next thing is, now click on it, edit it, and just bring it to a lighter part. Bring it to the last part and drag this one here. You can see this. So the color that I'm using for this one is 344EFF. That's the color code. Now great, you can just drag this out a little. Drag them here, drag this one here. Let's make this one a little brighter. You can make it brighter a little. Okay, so you can just see that. Okay, good. Now I have it. You can see what I have here. Great. The next thing is just to come here and type in a text. Click out and click on text. Type in a text. Let's edit this and type in the text. Let's say the name of the business is Kim Clean, like a dry cleaning business. Kim Clean. Okay, now you have it. Just okay that. Now bring it here. You can increase the size, and let's go get a font for that. So you come to font. Under font, you have to select something stylish, but what came to my mind is something stylish, like a little bit transparent. So let's search for something that will fit. Okay, something like this. You can see this, but this doesn't really fit too well for me. I don't like this, so I'll just come and select another font. Come and look for another font. Okay, here is day. Okay, day is good. Now you can see this. The next thing is, let me edit this. Make everything no capital letter, just like that. Okay, that. Okay, no, I don't want it this way. Let me make it, let's make the initials capital letter. Okay, so you can see that now we have the initials as capital letter. All you just have to do here now is to reduce the size of this or increase it. I want it to touch the both hands, something like this. You can see that. Okay, good. With this, I feel like let me rotate this blue color that I have, but you can leave it like this if it's okay by you. All you just have to do now is to type in, let's say, what the business is for. Laundry services. You can see that. Okay, great. With this, all you just have to do now is you can make the initials capital letter if that's okay by you, or you can still make it a small letter. Okay, good. Now you have this. You can just reduce the size of this to something like this. Let me check the size for us to see it. Okay, let me make this 25. Okay, there you have it. Okay, great. The next thing is to come to, I want to make it curvy so as it can fit into the curve of the blue background that we have. So I'll come to curve, and just, you can increase it. You can see the way it's going, then you can take it to the other side. Now I don't want it to be too, okay, there you have it. With this, you can align it properly like this. Now let's set it up. Click on it again and come to spacing. Let's come to spacing and give it some space. You can see that, so as it will fit into this space. That's too big, so you can see this and reduce it further. So just get something that will be okay for you. Okay, 20 is fine. 20 is fine. So now let's go back to curve and reduce the curve so as it can fit into this space. You can see that how I'm setting this properly. You take your time to set yours as well. So you take your time to align it properly like this. Now great, the Y is still out. Okay, there you have it. You can see how I did it. So you can just spice it up further by creating, let's say, a small shape, and this shape can come small circular shape like this. Now something like this. Okay, that, and just bring this inside here just to spice up this design. It can be any color. You can make it any color of your choice. It can be white color like this, but let me go and select another color for it. Let me select something. Let me search for it. Okay, here is a gradient color. You can just make this. You can make it any color of your choice though. It can be a plain color, but you can make it a red color, pink color, any color at all. But let me make it a gradient color of this nature. You can see it. Okay, great. Now you can see how we just created a simple, beautiful business design. You can see this part of the clean is not showing. If it's not showing, all you just have to do is to come to paddling and paddle it so as everything will be showing. So you can see that, then you arrange it properly. You can see, okay, great. You have everything all set. With this, you have created a logo of your choice. The next thing is you can mock it up in any format that you like, but in this case I might make use of Photopea mockup. And if you don't know how to do that, you can check one of our videos on this channel, how to make use of Photopea. Yeah, thank you for watching and God bless you.